Sa aming special boxing presentation, ang Sandugo, labanan ng mga kampyon. Ako po si Anton Rojas, kasama aking partner na si Ronnie Nathaniel.
Tignan mo yung mga tao, 25 to 30,000 people. This is what boxing is all about. Sabi ko sa iyo, dito sa Bohol.
Puntahan natin dito ang ating laban, Jason Pagara ng Ala Boxing Gym, Cebu City. Ang kanyang makakaharap, ang Korean light welterweight champion na si Kim Young-bin, 10 rounds sa lightweight division. Dito po kami sa Carlos P. Garcia Stadium.
Grabe.
Tingnan mo, parang may
Grabe,
concert dito, Ron.
Oh.
Tingnan natin ang Tale of the Tape.
Jason Pagara celebrating his birthday.
Yes.
18 years old. Pero mas matangkat si Bin, 5'11 to 5'8. Alam mo, sabi ni Bin at the weigh-in yesterday, when Jason Pagara was 2 pounds over, sabi niya, hindi ba rin okay lang.
Tignan natin kung ano magagawa niya sa laban. Let's turn it over to the ring announcer Rico Navarro for the official announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Sandugo, labanan ng mga kampiyon. Present your next battle of the evening. 10 rounds of boxing in the lightweight division. This is brought to you by Ala Promotions, ABS-CBN Sports, Bohol Sandugo Foundation, and the City of Tagbilaran. And now let's meet our fighters first. To my left, fighting out of the blue corner, he's wearing the red trunks. He weighed in at 137.5 pounds. His record, 10 wins, 7 by way of knockout, and only 1 defeat. Fighting out of South Korea, let's welcome Young-bin Kim. Young-bin Kim, ladies and gentlemen. His opponent across the ring, to my right, fighting out of the red corner and wearing the red trunks. He weighed in at 139 pounds. His record, 18 wins, 10 coming by way of knockout, and only 1 defeat. He hails from Cagayan de Oro City and fights out of the Ala Boxing Gym of Cebu. Ladies and gentlemen, Jason Pagara. Jason Pagara, ladies and gentlemen. Our judges for this bout are Eutemio Calompang, Delbert Pellegrino, and Edward Ligas. The man in charge of the bout, Ben Necesario. 10 rounds of boxing.
Okay. I want a clean fight, huh? What's your head? No hitting below the belt, no forcing or holding. Okay, touch the glove.
Jason Pagara won the Philippine lightweight title October 30, 2008. Unanimous decision over Arnel Porras, who's a very good fighter. And then he won the WBO Asia Pacific Youth title by a TKO in the second round over Harry Adrianto at the waterfront. This will be a good one. First test for Bin, because this is his first fight outside South Korea.
Ito po ang round number 1, Jason Pagara ng Pilipinas representing Ala Gym, Cebu City, going up against Kim Young-bin, ang Korean light welterweight champion, 10 rounds sa lightweight division.
Si Jason Pagara in the sequin red trunks and Bin in the simple red trunks. Okay. Only way I can differentiate between these two fighters.
Jason Pagara nanggagaling sa isang panalo noong May. He won via TKO in round number 2 versus Romeo Jacosalem. Samantalang si
Kim very, very aggressive. Got caught with the left, but he's going after Pagara. Pagara is little flustered at the aggressiveness of Kim. You know, Kim is fighting for the first time labas ng South Korea. You know, he's always fought in South Korea.
Kim aggressive here.
Very aggressive. Yeah.
Round number 1.
Pagara will have to watch it. He'll have to outbox this guy because he's got a height and reach advantage. And Pagara is using the jab, trying to set up the right.
Kim is coming off his 5th successful defense.
Good left by
his light
Pagara.
welterweight title.
Ang kaliwa counter ni Jason Pagara. 1-2 combination. You know, the corner man is a former champion of Korea. The one who's working the corner of Kim.
1 minuto at 39 na segundo na lang po natitira dito sa kauna-unahang round. Scheduled for 10 lightweight division matchup. Jason Pagara ang pambato ng Ala Boxing Gym sa Cebu City. At mamaya mapapanood natin pagkatapos nito, AJ Bazooka Banal versus Big U para sa WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight Championship. Oh,
Good
solid right there by Kim.
Pagara comes back with a left hook.
Closely contested first round so far, Ronnie.
Yung kaliwa ni Kim, it comes from way out, makes the distance, and he's countering well because Jason walked in and didn't throw a punch.
Kim, mas matangkad sa dalawang fighters.
Overhead right by Pagara. Oh, good left by Kim, good counter. Maganda yung kaliwa niya, yung counter ni Kim.
Kim, in his 10 victories, 7 came by way of knockout. Jason Pagara, 22 wins, only 11 knockouts.
Alam mo si Kim, this is the first time he fought before 25,000 people. He probably fights before 2,000 people. Now it's 25 to 30,000 people. So, you know, it might bring out the best in him.
Young Bin Kim won his first professional fights bago matalo kay Da Woon Jung.
Oh, good fight. Good right again. Pagara comes back with 2 good left jabs.
Ooh, left hook from Pagara.
But Kim comes back and Pagara backs off. They're looking ahead.
Tinitignan ni referee Ben Necesario.
And his cornerman asked him to keep his right hand up to prevent Pagara from working with the jab. Here goes the bell in round number 1. Good round.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round. This special is brought to you by